Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to earn money on the Fiverr affiliate program. So as you can see, we are currently on the seller dashboard, and just go to a new tab and search for this Fiverr affiliate program and click on the first link, the Fiverr affiliates program. Click on that and you'll be redirected to this page, and as you can see, we are now here on Fiverr affiliates. And you choose your commission plan, join as an affiliate, promote Fiverr, and start earning. Just click on join now, and you'll see this one pop up, and just sign up. Fill on all the options, your first and last name, your email address, and pick a username, pick a password, choose your account type. Do you have a main source of traffic, your country, and your language, and your Skype account? And after all that, just click on next and go through all the other options. And once you're all done with that, you'll be now a successful Fiverr affiliate. And if you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you on the next one.